Every day we encounter the concept of death in the news, media, and around us. But when did this become the norm? And more importantly, is it an inevitability we must accept? From ancient rituals to cutting-edge science, our journey through time has shaped how we perceive death today. In the past, cultures like the ancient Egyptians or the Vikings celebrated death as a passage to another existence. Ancient Egyptians, big on afterlife real estate. The Vikings, on the other hand, were all about fiery boat exits. Talk about making an entrance. Fast forward, and today, death often unfolds in clinical settings, hidden behind closed doors. Either way, dying seems inevitable, but recent scientific advancements are challenging this perception. Could death be a choice rather than a certainty? Nature offers intriguing exceptions to the rules of aging and death. Look at the Turritopsis dohrnii, otherwise known as the immortal jellyfish. This species can revert to its juvenile form after reaching maturity, essentially allowing it to start its complete life cycle again. Or what about Hydra? Small tentacled organisms found in fresh water. They can regenerate damaged or even removed body parts. But it doesn't stop there. Lobsters keep growing. Cockroaches survive radiation. Pine trees can reach several millennia. Water bears pause their aging process. Mole rats, flatworms, sharks, Brandt's bats, ocean clams. And the list goes on. This shows us that aging is a choice. Or like Aubrey de Grey once said, aging is not an inevitable part of life. It is a medical condition that can be treated. We're on the brink of an era where decoding the human body's secrets is no longer science fiction, but a tangible reality. Meet Brian Johnson, for example, not your average anti-aging enthusiast. The guy is hacking his own biology. His journey is part of a growing trend where the line between humans and scientifically enhanced beings blurs. We have countless other examples, such as the Human Brain Project in Europe, where they simulate the brain with supercomputers, recently shut down after 10 years of development. It's like The Matrix, minus the cool sunglasses. Or Elon Musk's Neuralink, which also brings us closer to unlocking the brain. Then you have CRISPR and genetic engineering who enter the scene. Scientists aim to modify genes, extend lifespans, and fight age-related diseases. It's like playing God with less beard and more lab coats. But what would it take to get closer to the goal of curing aging? It would require massive investments in scientific research, ethical considerations, and addressing the potential consequences. We'd need international collaboration, unprecedented funding, and a shift in societal priorities. While this all seems much, all that is necessary is to bring it into society and break the norm. But if we look at individual longevity, you can definitely get a few extra years and dodge some nasty diseases by focusing on your health more than the average person. This isn't just about extending life. It's about enhancing the quality of every year lived. And if we achieve this goal, how would it change our lives as human beings? Imagine a world where aging is no longer a downhill journey, but a reversible path. People could choose to stop aging at a desired point. A 90-year-old could have the health and vitality of a 30-year-old. We'll need to colonize new planets just for retirement homes. If retirement as we know it will still be a thing, that is, replaced by lifelong learning and career opportunities. Relationships could span centuries with multiple generations coexisting as contemporaries. The concept of a family and career structures could undergo a complete transformation. We'd need to rethink resource allocation, overpopulation, and the distribution of these life-extending technologies. The social, economic, and moral implications would be profound. Everything we know today will cease to exist as it is, and everything that will be, we couldn't imagine thinking of now. Curing aging could reshape the future of humanity and how we think.
As we delve into the realm of what was once deemed impossible, we're not just redefining death,
We're reshaping what it means to be human. Our journey through history, science, and ethics brings us to a crucial point in our evolution. Is death an outdated concept, or is it an essential part of the human experience? Welcome to a new era.